Hello everyone, this is John with Kazumi. So in this video, I'll show you how does opted out records behave here in SyncApps from your Salesforce nonprofit success pack or Salesforce going to MailChimp, and how does the unsubscribe or resubscribe records from your MailChimp behaves going into Salesforce or Salesforce nonprofit success pack. So let's take a look. So here in SyncApps, the default behavior, if the record is opted out, in your Salesforce or Salesforce nonprofit success pack, we do not sync them over going into your MailChimp. Now, let's say, for example, you have this automation process that you wanted that every time a record has been flagged as opted out in your Salesforce and they already exist in your MailChimp, you wanted this to unsubscribe automatically. Now, in step one of the setup, this is part of the 250 plus automations that we have here in SyncApps. Name one to unsubscribe contacts, leads, or accounts from your MailChimp main audience if a record unsubscribe or opt-outs in Salesforce. Now, if this feature is enabled, SyncUp system would automatically catch those records that has been flagged as opted out from your Salesforce or Salesforce nonprofit success pack, and we will automatically unsubscribe them in MailChimp. Now, the benefit of this feature again is that the both system it would mirror out the both systems that this record has already been flagged as opted out in Salesforce. Then in MailChimp, it should be unsubscribed automatically. Then when you're sending out campaigns, you have the assurance that this record has already been unsubscribed from Salesforce, so these should not be part of the campaign that we're going to send out from our MailChimp campaign. That's it. Then talking about unsubscribe or resubscribe behavior from MailChimp to Salesforce or Salesforce nonprofit success pack. Now, if the record is unsubscribed from your MailChimp, so let's say, for example, you're sending out campaigns or this record has been manually update the marketing status via admin or to unsubscribe, then SyncApp's behavior is that we do not sync that record going into your MailChimp. Now, if the record was synced or cached via sync apps from MailChimp to Salesforce, then this record already exists in your Salesforce, then they have unsubscribed from the campaign or manually unsubscribed via admin. Then once the sync runs, sync up system would automatically catch that record from your MailChimp that has been unsubscribed, and we will automatically flag them as opted out in your Salesforce or Salesforce nonprofit success pack. Now, let's say, for example, all right, John, we're sending out campaigns. Then, if they resubscribe, how does it behave? Now, here in SyncApps, let's say, for example, you wanted that if we send out campaigns and that recipients resubscribe, then we have this feature that would automatically clear the opted out field in your Salesforce automatically. So this is still below the feature here named resubscribe in Salesforce to clear the opt-out flag if a contact resubscribe in MailChimp. Now, SyncUp system would automatically catch all those who resubscribe from the campaign you send out, and we will then automatically clear the opt-out field in your Salesforce or Salesforce nonprofit success pack. Now, with this feature, it would really help you that your campaign that you are sending out is performing, and because there's resubscribing on it, and this would help your marketing team or sales team that all of the campaign that you're sending out is working and you don't need to personalize them in your MailChimp. All right. So let's proceed to step two. Now, let's say, for example, um, John, we do not want that all those records that has been unsubscribed from the campaign, or we want, or those records that we manually update the marketing status to unsubscribe, we do not want to sync or update it back to Salesforce or Salesforce nonprofit success pack to flag them as opted out. Now, here in SyncApps, it is part of our 250 plus automations again that you have the control based on your automation process. So in step two, in the more options section, you can see this feature named don't want to sync unsubscribe status to Salesforce when they unsubscribe in MailChimp. So SyncApp system would automatically catch those records that has been unsubscribed, then SyncApps do not update them going into your Salesforce or Salesforce nonprofit success pack to flag them as opted out. That's it. Again, this is John with Kazumi. For more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. If you want to discuss your use case live, I'll provide a link on the description box so you can book a call with us.